Where are you going? Come on, buddy. Over here. Over here. Oh, don't. Oh, no claws. This sucks. He's the most irritating. God, the claws are out like everywhere. It's probably because he can't see what he's doing, so he's like trying to grab onto shit.
Oh god, here he comes. Oh god, it's oh god, Krakan, ow!
Oh god, stop.
He's so desperate to be pet.
He's so itchy.
He's pet me. Pet me.
It's because he's so itchy.
Gosh.
You need to just calm the fuck down.
He's like, fucking pet me.
Okay,
What are you
here.
doing? He's like,
Yep,
no.
right here.
Come
right
here.
No, stop
here.
with the claw. Oh, fucker. God damn it, just stop.
He's like, but you pet me. Pet me.
I am petting. Okay, now stay here.
Clearly, you're just not petting him hard enough because...
Stay here. Am I in video now?
Yes, you're in video now. Krakan!
Look over there.
Oh, look at the camera! Look at how cute you are, you scraggly old tomcat.
Yeah.
No, don't. Ow!
Oh, shit.
Oh, I
saw him
yeah,
going for it, too.
this is nails and everything out. Aren't
Nice,
you?
nice view for the camera there.
Yeah, actually, quite a nice view. Nice and clear. It's so dark in my car. Meow meow. Okay, now it's almost like 2 minutes. You see, it just came out. You're so cute.
Oh.
You're so much cuter than the cat. He's old scrately. Alright, say bye, Krakan. Say bye. Say bye. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay.